First of all, you need your keychain, your scissors, your beads. I'm using pearls. You can use any bead of your choice. Then the first line, I'm using 0.6 because the holes of the pearls are bigger. That's why I'm using the 0.6. So depending on the bead you are using, then you choose the appropriate fish line. Thank you. So you just need 30 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cross thread on the 5th bead. So this is it. Then you pick 4. 1, 2, 3. The 4th one you cross thread. When you are doing, you have to be careful not to miss the thread. Once you do that, you will not get the perfect bow. I'm picking 3 beads because my first line goes through these 2 beads, so plus the 3 making 5. We are dealing with 5 beads, and the thread on my right passes through the next bead. Then I pick 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. I pass through the immediate bead. I pick 3. 1, 2, 3. See that the circle is forming. This is the down part. So when you get to this point, you pass through this extra 2 because where the thread passes, you can't apply the bead, so it has to go through the next bead, making 3. So at this point, you pick 2 beads. You see, the base of the ball has been formed. You can see it. And at this point, you pick 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. You're just going round. 3, and it passes through the bead. You pick 2 beads. 1, 2. And go through this. So we are going to be using 2, 2, 2 going round. passes through 1, 2, and you pick your 2 bead. See that the ball is forming, and it goes through 1, 2, with your bead. So at this point we need only 1 bead, so it just goes through 1, 2, 3. You apply your ring chain, and our last bead. That's what we are using to lock it. When we are done, so we will just pass through the fish line. We are making a knot so that it will be firm. We push our knot through so that our work will be neat. And we cut our excess thread. And this is our final work. You can have it in different colors. So our beaded ball keyholder is ready.